Ant Group, an affiliate of Alibaba, announced plans for its long-awaited dual listing in Shanghai and Hong Kong on Monday. The company is known for running Alipay, one of China's most popular mobile payment systems. But Ant Group has been expanding its reach into everything from wealth management to microloans. And beyond that, it has been focusing on selling financial technology products to enterprise customers. While Ant Group may not be that well known outside of China, its valuation could top that of some of Wall Street's biggest banks, according to one analyst who spoke to CNBC on Tuesday. Alipay was launched in 2004. It's a so-called quick response or QR code system of payment. A user presents a digital barcode on their phone which is then scanned by the merchant. Alipay can also be used to pay for items online. In 2011, Alibaba sold control of Alipay to a group controlled by Jack Ma, a move it said was done to satisfy Chinese regulations. Yahoo, which was Alibaba's biggest shareholder at the time, said that transaction happened without its knowledge, something the Chinese e-commerce giant denied at the time. Yahoo, another major shareholder SoftBank and Alibaba eventually came to a deal that same year. Alibaba would be paid at least $2 billion but no more than $6 billion if Alipay went public. Alipay was also required to pay licensing fees and continue serving Taobao, one of Alibaba's e-commerce platforms. Ant Financial was created in 2014 to encompass not just Alipay, but Alibaba's bigger push into financial technology. Then in 2018, Alibaba bought a 33% stake in Ant Financial. It was able to do so because of a clause in a contract between the two companies from 2014 when Ant was created. Alibaba founder Jack Ma still holds the controlling stake in Ant. Recently, Ant Financial rebranded as Ant Group. Ant Group has over 900 million users in China for Alipay. But it offers financial products beyond that, including wealth management, loans to businesses and insurance. These digital financial services contributed more than 50% of Ant Group's overall revenues for the fiscal year ended March 31st. But Ant has recently pivoted to focus more on what it calls technology services. That is creating financial technology products that it can sell to enterprise customers for a licensing fee. Eric Jing, former CEO and now current executive chairman of Ant Group, told CNBC in a 2018 interview that technology services would become the company's main business in the future. Ant's international strategy is focused on the several investments it has in e-wallet firms around the world such as India's Paytm. The company hasn't looked to launch local versions of Alipay in countries around the world. The only Alipay-branded wallet outside of mainland China is in Hong Kong. Ant Group will carry out a concurrent initial public offering (IPO) on the Shanghai Stock Exchange's Star Board and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.